Hello, friends. How are you all? I am back at my studio after a long time because of the COVID. I hope you guys are fine and safe with this crazy virus. At the same time, you must have been away from Hindi, so I thought I should do some work on Hindi classes, on YouTube videos. Um, so today in this class we are going to learn to have construction in Hindi. So to have construction is a construction in Hindi while it is a verb in English. So it's a compound postposition. It's a compound postposition. Compound postpositions are two words postposition. We have already learned like के साथ, के पास, के लिए, के बाद. So this to have means x के पास, which is a two-word postposition. To express this in Hindi, I have, you have, she has, they have. This is used with x being person, plus के पास, plus object or things, plus है और हैं. This है and हैं will change according to number and gender of the object. According to number and gender of the object. X के पास plus object or things plus है और हैं. This verb will change according to number and gender of the object. You know, this is a compound postposition. So the compound postpositions affect the noun, pronoun and verb and adjective. So for example, if we say I have two books. I have two books. So what is I? Do you remember? I is मैं. So this would be मैं plus के पास. मैं plus के पास plus object which is books plus है और हैं. So मैं is a pronoun, के is a postposition, compound postposition. If you remember, if a pronoun is followed by a postposition, that pronoun must change. So when मैं is followed by का, की, के, so that change, that was the irregular one. So this मैं plus के, this become मेरे पास plus object. What is object here? Two books. How many books? Two books. So this would be दो किताबें plural. And what would be verb like? है और हैं. This would be हैं because of the number and gender of the object is feminine plural. So this would be हैं. मेरे पास दो किताबें हैं. मेरे पास दो किताबें हैं. This means I have two books. Now, if you are saying singular, I don't have book. I don't have book. So in this we are learning also negative. Like always, for making negative you put nahi before the verb. So what we are learning? I don't have a book or any book. You know, there is no use of article in Hindi, so that we can learn in later on also. I don't have a book. So I don't have. To have is again मैं plus के पास. When मैं is followed by a postposition K, so this become मेरे, मेरे पास, मेरे पास. Book, book is feminine singular, किताब. Book is feminine singular, किताब. So this would be मेरे पास किताब. And you know, for making statement negative in Hindi, we put nahi before the verb. So this would be मेरे पास किताब नहीं है. Why है? Because book is a feminine singular. मेरे पास किताब नहीं है. मेरे पास किताब नहीं है. I don't have a book. This is a very common construction in Hindi. You know, you are going to stop. Do you have this? You know, that might be like, is this things available? So this is a very common and easy way of asking. So let us learn with a different pronoun. So we just learned with मैं plus के पास. Then we have हम. हम means we. So if we say we don't have money. We don't have money. So हम plus के पास. हम plus के पास. When हम is followed by a postposition का की के, this is irregular. This हम change to हमारे. If you remember in the last class, in the last videos, we were learning the possessive form. You can go back to that videos and catch up with the possessive. So हम plus के पास, that become हमारे. हमारे पास पैसे. पैसे इज मनी. हमारे पास पैसे नहीं हैं. हमारे पास पैसे नहीं हैं. हमारे पास पैसे नहीं हैं. मनी इज ऑलरेडी इन अ प्लूरल नेचर, सो इट्स पैसे नहीं हैं मीन्स वी डोंट हैव मनी. हैं you are using here not singular because money it's in the nature, it's a plural form. हमारे पास पैसे नहीं हैं. So we learn मेरे पास means I have, हमारे पास means we have, and then third one is you informal, like what do you have? What do you have? Informal. You remember formal and informal, we have a formal version and informal of you. So what you have informal is तुम plus के पास. So this तुम plus के पास, तुम plus के पास, this become तुम्हारे. तुम्हारे पास. Like possessive, मैं हम तुम, these are irregular that change to ra ri re instead of का की के. So तुम plus के, that become तुम्हारे. So तुम्हारे पास. Then the sentence is what do you have? So this would be तुम्हारे पास. तुम्हारे पास क्या है? तुम्हारे पास क्या है? तुम्हारे पास क्या है? What do you have? So we did मैं, हम, तुम, and rest is very easy. So like if you say आप is you and formal. You and formal. आप is you formal. So if you say do you have, if you're asking at the store, do you have this book? Do you have this book? So this is yes no question. Always yes no question in Hindi start with क्या. So it will be क्या and now. आप is you formal. So oblique of आप is the same. आप. So this would be आप के पास क्या आपके पास ऑब्जेक्ट इज दिस बुक, पर्टिकुलरली स्पेसिफिक दिस बुक, क्या आपके पास ये किताब है, क्या आपके पास ये किताब है? सो दिस इज आस्किंग क्वेश्चन, डू यू हैव दिस, आपके पास, आपके